Hard round of applause and welcome to the stage. He's going to talk to us about his cryptocurrency trading client.
Hey guys, so my final project, I decided to create a cryptocurrency trading client called Byte. So why did I create this application? I first got into cryptocurrency when the bull run happened in December, and I saw enormous potential, and I just fell in love with it. So throughout my coding career, I decided, I really wanted to create an exchange for cryptocurrencies because I just like trading it, and I was interested in how they were actually built. And so since 2016, the market cap for cryptocurrencies has increased by over 100 times, and multiple exchanges have been created, and the influx of users have made them extremely wealthy. So the problems that exist. Currently, the process to buy cryptocurrencies outside the big three, like Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin, is really difficult. You need to go to a broker, buy Bitcoin or any of the main three, and then you need to go to an exchange and convert that into your preferred cryptocurrency. And there's also many exchanges out there. Well, not many, but there are exchanges out there that are pretty shady. So I decided to incorporate the most renowned exchange out there, Binance, to my application. And the fees on Coinbase, if you don't really trade currencies on Coinbase often, it's a lot for what you're getting. It's about 1% to deposit from a credit card, and it's another 1% to buy it on the actual website. But if you buy it on their exchange, it's actually way cheaper. So I decided to incorporate that into my application also. So Byte is a cryptocurrency trading application that streamlines the trading process by allowing fiat to altcoin purchases on a single platform. And it simplifies the process for people who just are casual about investing and want to just buy a couple coins, and it allows users to get much lower fees than they would if they were to buy the cryptos on the Coinbase's main page. So the target market is individuals who don't really have much knowledge in investing or cryptocurrencies, and people who have a little amount of money but just want to maximize the gains. And this is especially me, those annoyed by constantly signing into multiple exchanges just to make one trade. So the solution to the problem is a single platform, so users do not have to constantly do OAuth in order to access their accounts. Utilizing Binance as the exchange in order to limit any fraudulent activity that could occur in the crypto industry. And all purchases of the main crypto will happen on Binance to receive the lowest fees possible rather than losing a lot of money through the fees. So how the order creation works for my application is when a user submits a create order form, the form will be parsed and sent to the wrapper. And at the wrapper, the wrapper authenticates the request to the Binance by using my API key and API secret key. And once it authenticates it and it confirms it, then it will send the order to the API endpoint. And the API will receive the request, and if all the data fits the requirements, then the broker and exchange will execute the order. So the technology used for this, I used a bunch of APIs in order to get the orders and all the data. I used Coinbase API, Ajax API, which is now Coinbase Pro API, Quinnig API, and Binance API for data retrieval, and Funny API actually, they changed their subscription policy to a paid version, and it happened today. So my wallet does not work for Binance, but the execution does work. So when I show you guys the actual trades, I'll just show you my Binance account before and after to prove the trade worked. So to create the application, I used Python, Django, Bootstrap, Ajax, jQuery, and C3 for the charts. And for data storage, I used MySQL. So from this project, I learned how to interact with APIs and how to create APIs to use it as a data source. I also learned how to create a full stack application individually, and I gained experience in both front end and back end of project development. And lastly, I learned how to use databases to optimize performance when dealing with API heavy applications. So I'm just going to show you the application really quick right now. So this is the page. So this is the page where once you log in, you go to, and you need to submit all the required API keys and secret keys. But once you submit them, then you should be redirected to the market data page. And this is just overview of the top 2 cryptos in the cryptocurrency industry. So this wallet is this is the Coinbase wallet. So Coinbase has 2 separate entities. There's Coinbase, and then there's Coinbase Pro, which is an exchange used for professionals and people who trade frequently. So this wallet is just for the Coinbase, and the reason why I have this wallet is because I need to be able to transfer my cryptos between Ajax and Binance, and this is the wallet in the middle to do so. So this tab is just wallet addresses that you can send your cryptos to. This is to send money to Ajax. No, sorry. This is to send your cryptos to any exchange with the same address as the crypto you're trying to send. This transfer is between Ajax and Coinbase, and the reason why this is here is because we're trying to take advantage of the lower fees on Ajax, and since this transfer is free, yeah, it's just a lot cheaper to just transfer for free and then buy cryptos at a much lower price. So this is my buy sell page for Ajax, and over here there's the form for the orders, and over here are the orders that you currently have open, and this is to delete the order if you don't want to continue having it. So this page is just the counts, so like how many, what amount of cryptos you have for each category. And to just show you guys, I'm gonna sell all my which is 0.06. So I had 0.67, and now there's 0.007, and I now have $17 US.
How did it sell the Ethereum so quickly?
Yeah, it's just crazy.
What?
I'm not too sure.
What?
It's a market order, so it executes.
Oh, immediately.
Exact price, yeah.
Okay.
It's still pretty fast.
Yeah. So this is a swap crypto page.
There's.
So this is the Binance exchange, and I'll just show you guys around. Okay, so this is the wallet address for Binance. So the four main crypto and Ethereum Classic, and then this is the wallet. So it's okay. So this is the wallet for Binance. So it shows you the current amount of cryptos that I have, and this send crypto is just to send money back to Coinbase. So I'm gonna execute an order right now. Let's see. So this is I'm gonna go by VeChain. And if you see here, now I have 508.8 VeChain tokens. So that's the Binance page, and the last page is the profile page, which records all the orders that you have created on this account. So, are there any questions?
So all the backend stuff, you don't have any smart contracts running on this, right? These are
No,
just
this
API,
is
solely API calls to the
Yeah, solely
exchanges.
API calls.
Gotcha.
Yes,
Okay.
all API calls in the database. I pulled out.
Gotcha.
All right, well, let's give Andrew another round of applause. Pizza time. All right, so word on the street is that it's pizza time. So there's usually a bloodbath, and yeah, that's how we go about things.
I got 2 cupcakes you can have.